In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy pages between your Canva designs. This is a super useful trick if you're working on multiple projects and want to save time by reusing layouts, graphics, or even full presentations. Let's get right into it. First, open the design that contains the pages you want to copy. Once it's open, head down to the bottom right corner of your editor and click on the grid view icon. It looks like a set of overlapping squares, and it will instantly display all your pages in thumbnail view. Now it's time to select your pages. If you only need a single page, just click on it. But if you want to copy multiple pages, hold down the Shift key and click on each page to highlight them all at once. This makes it really quick to grab entire sections of a design. Once your pages are selected, copy them using the shortcut. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+C. If you're on Mac, press Command+C. That's it. Your chosen pages are now stored on your clipboard. Next, open the design where you want to paste the pages. Once inside, use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste. Canva will automatically drop those pages at the very end of your design. From there, it's just about organizing. Still in grid view, simply drag and drop the pages into the order you want. This lets you seamlessly merge ideas or move sections around until everything looks perfect. And that's all it takes. With this simple method, you can copy entire layouts, templates, or full sets of slides from one Canva project to another in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.